Limited nero eduke cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheli guririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiganya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana ukuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yigaya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyweranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase tunamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Homeboy. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi huko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Werere buja omwancho omo ligereri letukaliga lya icho March 13 omo tieni ogatano limo mwaka wechiri bubere na 2025 na mangi agente koneki wachinsemo ao ime na isiko ya gusi nigo ebyombe bigente gusirwa gwetera mirobeli ao eyue korkwanga empowerment ya chinsemo ao yenya gabe koneki wa ase county ya Kisii na boyo county ya Nyamira litukolia lero na boyo ni gaborkiwa aba kupeti na baro bagatekerengara kyabo igoro yogo itwa ko mwalimu Alipati Juangi mwancho muligereri ayo negatiali ngenda gosna kwaliganilia ase kionga chinsa ibere emagorobe ya lero nje ningongoro kwa Aaron Ototo nyangiri kuranse memenyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli naya narayo hegatina ya na kwaliganio mwancho muligera
Tunataka maendeleo ama vitina? Yule mtu ya ukabila na shares, nyinyi mnamwambia namna gani?
Ekoko iyo bomo no bwanchani no kubwatrana kwa chinza muchenya ntrago asomayiga bogo changira ebyombe ao.
Today we are going to do candle lighting because we want to stand in solidarity with the family that we love.
Aborokia bekiombe gya kupeti korobekana imemo chobosongo kogania obwene boyo mwabo yo nyata kabaga goitwa ase omochie o Nairobi.
Game ya Ande biyama. Ingira mwazi. Dade mwe aja biyama.
Chiamate gwetani merongo etatu konyora obokonyi kurase omo Samaria oyomo ime yegwodi abogeka ebunge ya Kitutu Church South e county ya Kisii. Karibu mwanjwa homo rigaralia kionga chinsabire ni gotoko cha korwa ase chinsemo chegwodi ya chuni ebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba e county ya Kisii ase omugumerebwe county ya Kisii omosbati Donya Doris Aburi nyakaba gakora egeikaro agyogo changira na gosira ebyombe ase geti geskuru ya Nyantrago abarai banyakaba gukirana ensemeyo ngamo na omukonyi obene bumuraibwense Faruki Kipeti omuraibu abange gosomo chief gwe Serifana Sosoro egati y'abajumbe bande abange n'abarebande abange asachingwana chiyobomo gose siasa chiyobomo chanyara kuba chiko yanekwa naboyigo abantu gosamigwa kubwatirana ase amagendero nagotumonye umulikito Daniel Onteri
Chimashine chigosibya chigali chibesa sebyumbe nebikundi ao negati yebriya byenanwa hasomorobelyo bogosiro mwananchi kawaida asebonge yenyeribari Masaba imiye county ya Kisii omwega waliganigwa no women rep we county ya Kisii omoske Donya Doris Aburi asomoyegoyiga Faruk Kibet nigo harabara ibande egati abo moske Silvano Sosoro moske Jerusha Momanyi kurwase county ya Nyamira Dr. Daniel Manduko kurase bunge ye Nyaribari Masaba egati yabara ibanda mangi nechinga kecho basingirira gukwanira kugania gugwanchana na gotiga siasa choko bagana ba Kenya.
Tunataka maendeleo ama vitina? Yule mtu ya ukabila na shares nyinyi mnamwambia namna gani?
Asense mwende abare yabaiga nigobalira gucha kwendera kubwatirana numare wensobono Dr. William Samoei Ruto bamentabuna chinga kichia siasa tichiraika.
Tuanze siasa hiyo wakati wameingia, sisi ndio tutaenda hasara. Kwa hivyo Wakisii wenzangu, nataka kuwaomba waje tushikilie hao watu ambao wako na maziwa. Tunataka ile wanachukua mahali popote katika hii nchi yetu ya Kenya na sisi tupate.
Juzi yule wa Munyoro alikuwa yuko kwangu kule Malindi. Amekuja Malindi, akapiga mdomo, hakupatia mama wangu chochote, hakupatia vijana wangu chochote. Waswahili wanasema mkono mtupu hulambwa kweli. Mkono mtupu hulambwa. Kwa hivyo wa Munyoro na brigadia lake, nyinyi hamuna kitu, hamutoi kitu, ni makelele matupu.
Wengine wakiongea tunauliza, kwa mfano Abagusi community wamepata waziri mmoja Ogamba Migosi, kweli ama si kweli? Na wakapata PS mmoja, kweli ama si kweli? Na tunamwambia Daktari William Ruto, zile nafasi zitakuja sasa, angalia the Abagusi community.
Lakini tunataka hapa Kenya hakuna kabila itakayoitwa minority. Kila kabila iko na sababu ya kuzaliwa Kenya.
President Ruto, Mheshimiwa President Ruto, omuntu bwanchire Kisii. Ekene. Ayo muntu bwanchira. Yato ndera 20p tobera serikali enende toakame serikali yero onoiga.
Gatatu nigo osoro arorekana kwigirira finance bill yo mwaka wechiri bubere na 2025 mwaka wechiri bubere na 2025 no yomo wikiriye boigo ebikore byogoitwa kwa basaya asichinchira chibotutukanu asaboria kiombe kyobotuki bobosaria DCI kwango yobotuki ilikuwa enekebuna abakagerwa babekirubera na bimokirigwe getambo kiregetindi kirichiko.
Watuambie wale watu ambao waliingia kwenye police station ya Central wakaua kijana bure. Hao watu lazima tujue ni akina nani. Hao watu lazima tujue ni akina nani. It cannot be ya kwamba mfungwa anabebwa, anaingizwa kwenye cell mahali anafaa kuchungwa, ati huko ndani watu wanaingia wanaenda kumuua. Hao watu lazima washikwe, wapewe mashtaka. Ama namna gani? Hiyo kitu tena ilitokea 2016. Wakati wakili fulani alishikwa wakiwa na mwingine in 2016 na taxi driver wake wakawekwa kwa cell, wakauliwa, wakawekwa kwa gunia. What we will not accept ni kwamba Kenya hii ati kwamba watu wasiwe safe katika police.
Nkurubaterega taseni kiagetembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Mwanju murigerali asoma yugo yoyo nigo byombe obyanyara kwa bikonyora ogosirwa akonene kurwase omugumererwe county ya Kisii omuske donya Doris Yaburi igati abo bagokwana nigo banyaka bakwire ningambu ya mono esogosirwa kwo munago tumanya mulikito Gabriel Nyakunde.
Ebyombe kurwase county ya Kisii ritukorerero nigo banyoro bokonyi witira asoma wimenerewe county ya Kisii omuske Doris Yaburi. Nigo umuyiga oyiga oikiranwa na barai buna omuske Faruk Kibete, omuske Silvana Sosoro, omuske Jafet Nyakundi, omuske Daniel Manduko na omuske Zair Janda amona bageni abange abande. Nigo baganiri abarai bali bande bagopinga obokonyi obuyiga bwebyombe wesoke nako bakonya elyo gusira abanainchi.
Twende tokoruga etiko korugo ababunga abebaje mubungo yoko kumishibo ko yaro ko ngose cost na akabeza kae uza kutokonyaga siti ya rusimo buko urugo saloe ndoye maini mbara kwate tinyingi kubwa abandi nalo ngani twazinyinga agoye kere agoye mashini yale onawe kere etinga agoye ntwa ko kwa besa okwa mo etinga kwa okwa mo bibi kwa okwa mo rutemo ayeruta yamona bodo agera na musiri na ito leta chitinga zitalitinga naleta ebesa naleta usema wale wale chitinga naleta dalisi naleta ebesa naleta iraisane obore etinga ebesa naleta isano kwa chipiki komi oya tuwa kwa chipiki komi obo chikobagana nigo yeino bichana lero ese yego kama kwa no no etinga na mwambia kwa mwanyoni ebesa yalo
Target empowerment program across the country. Astogokonye byombe twakonya abantu bainse erinde bacha igoro. Aserero mungina donya konyarire kobagokorore ebyombe zaidi ya 300. Na ende byombe biga nirobire ase county ya Kisii ngima. Serikali y'Mheshimiwa William Ruto of course challenges into bwate. Ende nchirinke. And we understanding ubugima bwa kongire. Lakini ase kenekere serikali yeli tuko na rutokora vera. And that is why Mheshimiwa Doris Donya Toto areta bageni abange from across the country wachichaga ochangere byombe more than 300 via Kisii County.
Nigo abanainchi anene mono kurwa se county ya iga ya Kisii bagokera obokonyo boiga asibalire ira yoguchia kugendera kubwatisya serikali anene mono gosira omuwimenere puwe county ya iga ya Kisii Doris Donya Toto.
Town ya Keroka turamona tore abangina 60 tuikaranstense tukarosie kiombe egere tuimuke buna bangina wono ngwa kangambi yamana seri tukerira rero Mheshimiwa Tonya atorangeire gocha egeti Kenya nturago esenge njogo twa support wono tukuyanire mongera ngambi yamono agenderere igo egekogerere no mongine ntigana oinyoira bangina bamwabo ikawo chigotoa girache tokonya stinse mawao
Tangolo kugisemba yo bwesekia FIS chairman yege tonto kure ward ya Majoge bus Majoge church twagokire aso Mheshimiwa ito Donya Toto aso gotokonya chi machine ejindu na abana boda boda enenjira ya moyogo to support and go to segeta ase gaseto yakera lituko ase njirenda boche ngo chitore konyora bono ekipato tugo chiko chake gase mune machine ngo chitore to ba tugo chako sibichi pigi chaito chigali na ikige gorokinga ngo chitore konyora chibase chaito chakera lituko igona nenda to kumakera ngambu yamono na inde mbu yamono ase support ya toire ndoga ndrega butambe twagokire ntuna abantu ba boda boda
ekero omuwimenere puwe county ya Kisii enekiana gukonya abananchi anene mono kurese county ya Kisii asaganirie abananchi anene mono abaiga banyoro bakonyi kwenekia ngotumika bale bakonyo boiga banyora irio gwekinia ase amagima abo kingo reporter aikateseni kigabonje tikiana gikomike getembe nchinguru Nyakundi Gabriel.
Na umwanchu murigere magaye gatia barayabo nigo bagenda guika ase county Nyamira nemono ebunge ya West Mugrango asbanya bakoba bagwikirana umuyiga onkamno uyu nyara koba gokwalinganirwa no mujumbe webunge yo omoske wa Kili Steve Mogaka bakorawa amo no mokonyi bumurayibwense omoske Professor Abraham Githure Kindiki no inabo nigo chingwana chia siasa nabo gamagenda Nyamira airali baga linene ase chingwana echo ase abantu gose byombe binge byanyaka bikonyora ogosira kurwase abarayabo bagesiasa abana gutumanya muri kito Fatigade Gisemba
nase omuyega bugosira amagenderero naboigo ebyombe imeye bunge ya West Mugirango omuyega oikiranwa nomukonyi bw'omurai bwense Professor Githure Kindiki omurai bw'abarabange ase bunge enene omoske Kimani Chungwa oyotenenerete emeroberio ya serikali omoske Faruk Kibet omugachi bw'ekiama kya UDA Chafet Nyakundi omubunge o West Mugirango omoske Steven Mogaka omo majority whip omoske Silvanus Osoro egati yabarai bande abange
ni siku ya kusaidia hawa mama wajane. Hii ni siku ya kusaidia wanabiashara wadogo. Leo sio siku ya siasa, na sisi hatutaki siasa, tunataka maendeleo. Nyinyi mnataka siasa ama maendeleo? Mnataka siasa ama maendeleo?
Aiga omokonyi bw'omurai bwense omoske Githure Kindiki nigo atebire inse y'oburai bwaye omoske William Ruto nigo uchumi yense yagendereire kogororoka naigo ebaroberetie koroisia chichiro erio kubasira abaunjureria abakabake egati yabo echiro ya meruka
ndio maendeleo ya Nyamira ipatikane, upate stima, upate masoko, upate barabara, niendelee kusaidia rais, niendelee kushirikiana nao viongozi tusaidie rais ama nisiendelee? Wangapi wanasema nisukume kazi? Hii kazi nitaifanya kwa bidii. Hii kazi nitaipeleka mbio.
Ensema yaye omuteneneri bw'emeroberio ya serikali omoske Faruk Kibet nigo aboria omugusi kubwatesia serikali eregeti engana yae wa chinguru nabarai bande abo baikirana ase barekana kumuraga ebyara oyo kabeire omowaziri w'oburendi waime omoske Fred Matiang'i kubwatekana neganga yaye yokoria ekerogo kyoborai wense.
Yule mkabila mkubwa Kenya tumwambie nini yeye? Shetani afanye nini? Alisema Wakisii hawana shares. Leo anataka kutembelea Wakisii. Nyinyi mtakubali shares yake? Yeye yule mchawi alifukuzwa bunge, kufukuzwa. Yeye anasema tusije kusaidia Wakenya wengine hapa chini. Leo tunamwambia ushindwe siku zako zote. Ili tusikubali zile siasa tunazotoa za uchochezi, za chuki, za migawanyiko ya ukabila. Wakiona tumetembea Kisii, wanakuja kuambia watu wa Kisii, hawa hawafai kutembea hapa, warudi kwao. Si wa Kisii wamejaa Kenya mzima? Sile kitani bogabona. Keketeke mukirasi. Mungu asa mo etokega ko bachimba sisi ni na ndo ya ngosa. Ole mo wakirasi Kenya ngima. Aba ni nane ni komista ne. Aba tabaga sereje sirida wai. Ase mesingi ya mbe bangete. Asa ka mumbe bangete. No mo daga ikarasi matan wacho to rusuwazu. No. Ese ko kiti toyase. To tige ndo to kega to balinde. Ai ndo to ka so to ka to na kira
omo wakireshi bw'abangina Nyamira omoske Cherusha Momanyi nigo aburia abarai abaiga babwaterane no mubunge o West Mugirango omoske Steven Mogaka erio kwene kyabona amagenderero buna ayechipara chirami namboigo estima nkobe kware ase bunge ikeiga.
Leo hii tunakutuma wala mwambie president wetu hapa barabara zetu ni mbaya.
kwatekana na yaiga ibakwanira boigo siasa cha Nyamira anene ukubagikana kwa ba MCA na goteba nigo mwana inchi abeire gakoremara ase amagenderero
abana bantu mu Nyamira aba MCA bantu mu Nyamira bagikona abantu ba Nyamira abantu ba Nyamira batange kile tafadhali lazima weke disegi kando wasema lazima weke disegi kando kwa sababu ndio ndio mwe lakini ndio mno soku kenye kiba abana watu wanasemuliga abana watu wanasemuliga abana watu wanasemuliga wanyareme wao haki etara no mugaba no musai aye wasi no kubeka bantambo ko mugaba na haki sai
Hinko reporter Getembe korwa segeti ekeiga geskuru yoporoso ya Nyamira ekioke gutuka meye ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Ligere kubatakana amo nogo kwa Alipate Ojwangi ase chichira chobo tutukanu uyolengo mwalimu nando moploga nigo abalimu bekiombe kusabaro kebe kiombe gya kopeti mayoro sagia Arua county ya Kisii barobekana imemo chobo songo kugania serikali nyakaboke kwemukie getambo keregetindi na kwanekia obwene bwaye Alipate Ojwangi na boye kwanekia bunage kolemne kingelio chikwane kigwa ase amatuko ale bosio
We want justice for our teacher. We want justice for all those who have been killed in the brutality way. As Kupet Kisii, we stand with the family and we announce that let the legal team and the apparatus, security apparatus and the IPOA swing into action and have those who are in charge, those who perpetrated this kind of ugly incident to be brought into book. We cannot allow again to wait until another teacher is killed. You touch one teacher, you have touched all the teachers of this country. All the teachers of this country are standing in solidarity together.
But today, Kenyans fear a police cell than they fear even a criminal's gang. So what we are telling the government of Kenya, as teachers of Kenya, we demand for justice for Ojwang, and not only for Ojwang, for every other Kenyan. We are saying enough is enough. The killings must stop. Every life is precious.
My name is Mariga Irene, the Secretary Gender Aspirant in Kisii County. We demand justice for our brother because these brutal killings cannot be allowed to continue. For our leaders, kindly give us justice. Our hearts are bleeding on behalf of the families, and that is why today we are standing here in solidarity to cry with our brothers, to cry with the family. Kindly, we demand justice. Just as what we demand, justice.
Na mwanchomo ligerali nigo mate yokonyora gwense na mono abogotwa barachitakana na batakanwa banyaka bakonyora ogosirwa korwa ase omosamalio yomo chinsemo chie ward yabogeka ebunge ya Gitudu cha South na sokoboli gwanyaka bokurwe gwa bali bonsi babwata konyora gwanse gosibate kwenyara banyaka bagosirwa senjera yamo gose eyende unagotumanya mulikito dipon asanya
Kire muyaman nande muyaman ngera muwazi kandi muyaga kuya bwasize nyamana kurukungari
iga okusamulike bade matara asese dibe abanyasi urokogoroka
Chiamate wetania 30 ningo chiagokere obokonyi kurwa somo Samaria aya maiga yabagotu nechintakana korolekana konengetwa kurwa ase chiamate chabo anene ya sebinyoro
Gocha korora abantu abagatu bali batari kwenyara batari konyara gasoka ku nyumba bachikuri mumu none na twachira korora gari jirani yaito gange soni ojoni
marita nenkuru kwerna kabusiboli ngwa rwase kinyiruke irianyi mubusi naira ne iringambi yamana asenginje mwachira korora umuntu obairu kurwali ngakientambe ndanya kanyora umuntu kuikanka gaga komorora muna mwekiri Kugana ira ni iriye kiabuga ngambi yamono asogo to inyora se kinyuri dikeirianye
akari kiabuga buya atari dabangina nabagaka bagotu batari kwenya na ndabantu mbalo nabare mabumbari se kinyomba tugusaba batari te bonsi abe bago ikero ke ko nya banta bange bebi ne serikali yebita banta bange muna abu abagotuna ba na ba de mavu batai gutare
gukwana ekerekyo ni gobono abange babeire bagotigara magega anene asokonyora obokonyi no nyenkuru ase serikali
abantu abagotuna abagose bari marete abana babaja kurikichi contract yabaye berigeri banyoro ko babarum bari konyara gukora mirimo korengi muna twakorega kurugoro guikarero yabe yarorokanire ko ba positive nande twanyorere nga kweli abantu abange machandikete kinyomba
murayo mteri kiabuga kwanyoire bali babwate abagotu buno mugaka kebawe oli otali gosokara mbali ikeri mbiyamo nasoko munyora na abanda abangina mbale tubwate kenyoro gyeitoga kiamali babagotu batali kwenyara nane tiro batali goikabaleta nane suguma ya 10
nonyina bo ni gabange ba umurubiriyo iga okoboko
njengoira nelingambi yamo nasinge cyo mwesimiri kabuga akire gotorora orodi mno mongino itomogotu gochagaiga nabande mbaroro miyamo nasinge kwa twali tukobani okukuya gochakora bangina abagotu
nakire mbiyamo asinge anyero mungunto ndonya korora muntu gochaga abuna mwakire ikene konekya bya situkuriya re
umongino amane pitana kororu nonye lakini bona gambia mana sinje kwa twali tekerengerie kiga kwa nywero umongino ngomono umongino umunariga tali korora munariga ga ukoreta nabakoranga nando ochira kinta koreti tarochi umongino nabwato bali mafu yamana sinje kwa nywiri namatu munariga tali koigwa
Chinga kiboigo bono babolirie abarai wesokia na gokora magenderero uche sabana inchi obwanchiri bonde botayo
ibaite sumwa beta ase mwaika tara gakorangeria abantu mwabasera gende binyoro morigereria abantu muna bamenyeta chinka emechando nero mutaka kuyekora ikachinka chi abantu moye konye
amoneke ekenyoreke kiitu kiiria nyigaiga mwakebwa beri etwebire ntobwate ngone stime seme tugusabasa wancha kwaye akia to saponse to ngore stime kenyoreke kekiebire mwesi migondo kwensi gosata na konyora kenyoreke
suka Uripoteri kitasenikia uwanje kia gatembe kurega se wodi ya bogeka egotoke bunge ya Kitutu Tete South imeye kaunti ya Kisii ilitaria na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Mwanju mwaligere kirabu ni kutoka ndi studio ya kabiri tunya kabatoka nyara obasemi bwa gatembe tokwira tunya kabatoka na mange anne mano chinga kimbwate abageni ime studio tokunya kabatoka kuligereria igoro yabasae muna enchire yabo yokwenderia ekiunga chinsa ibire litukulia lero kotofuka uchiare
Baraka ninjo, ninjo gatembe, ninjo dorome, manana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Inaliso tana konyoroye agoja gutwara bwo yabwo amoroseri gesaku eliegera acha gutaruna banani nyaguchine liso kwali lyose mpoko bare ko gero muntu chikuliwa uritaise ni uritaise ngakyo na guchine liso ngakerinke muchina liso tana konyoroye amoroseri gesaku acha gutaruna banani kona guchine liso uinomo uswati yo ikwale ta oyo kente ikwale te kenyantenge kyo kenyambare ikwale ta kitiga kegende kenyambaranga kei muchina liso tana konyoroye agocha komoroserize kukabonera atorwe abainani mbarabi abainani mbali totararora bali utara iguru nabo abainani bali enda ntoko bamanya bakalinani ene kiekora no mukusia tete kalibike mutigari bainani tali bali bakarozana ime bali bona batara iburwa nabo bainani nabo banike usikireigo kalibike ine nkwane no mukusia tete Tiagono kwa muri kindagere cyo bwatu kwana okuririo kozina kalimo kwa bwate kwa butore kwa ntomo yuzo bana mbaro
Baraka ninjo, ninjo gatembe, ninjo dorome, manana mazi, bangina
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria mabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokia liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na bwigo chotebereria kende kinsi uragania bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na bwigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na bwigo box corrugated asibiko babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asama bati aliaye chigage emerunge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na bwigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na bwigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Bricky Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na bwigo na Green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na bwigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchurigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom bwigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Gotera chinko chinkureta ilioki waitiro ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asumuriro omusinine boygo byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rise Brackets na lyuri chiburiao ase okorosia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rise na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agutumeka kemono nende akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi biko liriaye neligiya amakaraega nigo agokeania kuna chukwimite yeito wose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokeania gokonyora kwindwali ya kansa Alpha Rise Brackets na pogutumeka ase chioteri chinyagitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu cyubusungu navuga twakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rise Brackets naye twanchete
ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'ichikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo inyangi rusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao munabonwa housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige buno Getembe television network nero ego kwayega ashirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikiri wigiye masheje munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi wiguro nigeti byetebwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp wosego yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kiririjane
amasomo nanine obumanye nabubora irire omwana okogendera asamatuko ali busyo ne aye omwiburi kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana anyorera obumanyi na nene w'ikikosi cy'amaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduze chikosi ao igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering asetokobundisa Building Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Civil Engineering Level 6 Building Arts and Masonry Level 4 Plumbing Level 4 na Level 5 Carpentry and Joinery Level 4 Land Survey Level 5 na boigona Level 6 egatie chinde chinyinge kubundisa tore boigo ekosia Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokobundisa Electricity Installation Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies Agripreneurship Level 5 na Level 6 Horticulture Level 5 na boigo na Level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 na boigo Analytical Chemistry Technology Level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Records and Archives Management Level 5 na boigo na Level 6 Jitumela asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ale nayo kubundisa tole ekosi ya Version Design ase level ya 4 na boigo neli ya 5 ase omuraki wa akwebundisa akwenyorera ubumanye ubura mubeka silibagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkoigeli ya bale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship ase chinsamu cha Cosmetology nigotokwigeli ya Beauty Therapy Level 4 na Level 5 Hairdressing Level 4 na boigo na Level 5 nyuranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi wekerero unabono Hairdressing Pedicure Manicure egati ubumanyi bunde ubunge boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering ase tokobundisa Automotive Arts Level 4 Automotive Engineering Level 5 na Level 6 ase bego tokobundisa Welding and Fabrication Level 4 ajirira muretu mwana anyorere ubumanyi wiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munene skuru asomo chokeroka asamange nabugutalira website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose nabugwaka esimu wetera sechi number 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirena kwenyorera ubumanye riri wibekiri bagari rya asensi yiga yo kwerwanirira gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etv ya wanje Tiaga Temba Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yitu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeunga kia mamogusie
ine nkuri giore enyumba yekerero yu urakorere ubunchiriri bwao ime kengo ejiro yugo tukabumba baburabo asebunge yabumachoge burabo enyumba ye nengia asobunchiriri buna enyagitari esukuro esupermarket nubunde ubunge kolingana nukogani kwao tibweba nibwate amache ni wifi
boigo nigo irichimita emia eye muchuka rwa ase factory ya Marati asamange ikira abanyene ase chinamba 0721930180 gose 0790211412 enyumbeye neao minyoka.
Gutera chinko chinkureta elioki waitiro ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asumuriro omusinine boygo byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rise Briquettes na lyuri chiburiao ase okorosia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rise na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agutumeka kemono nende akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi biko liriae neligiya amakaraega nigo agokeania kuna chukwemete yeito wose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokeania gokonyora kwendwali ya kansa Alpha Rise Briquettes na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyakitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chubusungu na bugutwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rise Briquettes naye twanchete.
Eduka ya bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boygo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya bwigo chiriye chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri buririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchuri g'obusongo eyweranga n'eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngo tukabari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwe terase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagukira eskuru na boygo ecyo kubeka
Karibu mwancho muligereria hasense maiga ya kabere setokonya kabato kuligereria mange ne kiunga chinsa ibere toko kesuki mutwa seneniga tumaga so asengwana ya gatembe chikoraga chinsa isa togo chimutwa sebonega nigo tokonya kabato kuligereria hanene mono igoro ya abasae na chingwana chanya kabachiko kwaneka anene mono igoro ya abasae kagorigia chensi kanya kabagera libagali nene olibinde na bonsi na basaye na kolengana ne katiba ya Kenya musaye ni gago chakere miaka 35 go chance nsachinde ngo igaturwa ranga chensi baka baba saye mono kubwa bande ne bintu binde bineyo kolende tali ya yitwa cha chensi kolende gotoko kwanira igoro yogo kinia ebyegwa bya basaye gokinia basaye bogento gekorunga mentorship na kikiagara litukulia lero mbata bagani me studio astokonya kabato kuligerelinga merobeli kinza chinde egendete korwa sensema yabo yo kunyara kaba geko genderelia obogi mabwa basaye na boy kokosemia abasaye na gokinia abasaye na kwemukereria abasaye asenchire yamo gose eyende na umwancho muligereri litukulia lero igasongo na ogera chikemba chake gabagani mbwate studio na baranyorenga mbali koigwa ikitoko kwa na bonega lakini nchaga sagana some fun na rwaji konyara kabaga gotokonya asali stogo float isigesongo igo njembura mumateneke kusima baite kwa na botambe litanga ke matikanja kana nayo introduce ngani nyaka bogotomanya ngani ngo tomago sago cha sabande karibu
bia mono bali minto toto asinyicho mwatanyoreri bageriga tokwane negiso gitu cyumukusi nasikia beta erinde omanyenga ingende okora lakini boigo nchinga kichienda tegochira ndeo mukusi asabeta emarobe yena mukwa
na tekora kwane litali eli kwanda gato yende gatuma kwera na gochasa tumakanda
okay
eri etali yao kwa
asama dieta nengo kunjaga sagana somfan gorwa yorogo no machoge chache
Madam Aisha, I don't know whether I can pronounce that name correctly, and because of that, so you are going to do it yourself. Let my audience hear you speak.
No problem.
Yeah, your names, please.
I am Aisha Kwenu Tefera.
Aisha Kwenu Tefera. That one. Sir, it's your turn.
Sir, my name is Cadmiel Vanderboy.
Cadmiel Vanderboy. Tira na so letra batigado. Dito ko diya mero blia onere di fate se abasaye.
Le ronda to kwa na wuchia se abasaye baito wagusi bonzi eswabeta. Na manyire amatuko miaka ya mwaka era no mwaka twasoire. Twambira korra challenges chinyinge kira se wuchia abasaye. Na inde abasaye abaigana bo exekukia mambia. So libageriga nanyorire asinginjo kwa igore yabasaye igonta etego litanga nikakusa nte yabasaye subarenga bogate obugima borobosyo bwabo yuko wende ko Robert Bia tibabu kana kuna mangana yensa mange aragere abatanta ni kurwase engenjo yokomenya weito na wekinia unegesa ku kyo umukusi mono kogwa koranga umusae asabeta asategetringa mangana yiga amanyenga ekera erobe burunge nabo mambia agojokoba umurai omunene ase orongo rwito rwagusi
na specifically kimwabere mo gukora se kugenyara kababonko na kingango sira murabasaya baigase chishuguri chenchekera lituko
ubona boniga mwamugusi mwese simwabeta abageni amwe batari ukwana gasongo biye batari ukwana gagusi nigonde n'abageni barure ense ya machi mumbu ari America abageni abaiga tobeto okora memana babo mutukatari make tokurigereria igoro y'ingincho turanyare gokonya abasaye baito ewiki yiga unabajitega iga tobeto gutandira abasaye na gwakwanira kake na boigo mono kubwa litukoria mambia dikale litukoria sabato todo tuaru mukutano mane sana wabasaye edinda bageni abaru chisiko bajwakore egikaro n'abasaye baito bagusi babakwanere babaye bosemia nandi babaye ogosemerie gochibosyo ingomusawe yokai bwate bijya nabe okuba
umusae wechinguru na ndo ibanya gwekonye ya kiagusio naboniga nse gukwanira ase miruri twakorire n'abageni abaiga kutwa manyete na barabo nande bagire bachirega iga nabere ngo batebya igoro yemicande menke abasaye baitu bakonya gwetera eriyo barodere bya bachiga tugingencho turanya kubaikira tubagose myoboiga nande ense gutuka ngenjende ne turanya gukora basege tuasengenchi yowe okugenderera kwabo aina tubwate asemirubiri to eriyo tunyore na kitoko konya basaya baiga abandu naboniga abana abange bagire kisukuru kera mbaye konyora ne school fees eriyo basome mambia bachibwe konya boniga ntubwate program ekogenda gokonya basaya baito no kubanyorede ase school fees eriyo bagende basoma kisukuru ekiaboniga otorigeti ekewango kerikia abana bari kisukuru mono tobae libagali nene bari bataikonyara goikera ase omagana yoko yakanirano ne school fees yatokanga abana abo ngonya bakosa ngoso itoroko boko nonya bara abanga ase gusi lakini impale
banyaragosiro
banya gosiro ese nyincho yo kwegenderera kwa mambia
ugo yugano murobeli ore continuous tar murobeli one off
ono murobeli to abekiro oboroso omurobeli uragendera matuka mange niko togosa banyasaya tubwatesi egikie twarengere ko korera sabasae nande ga ni gonde ne president iyo organization ye ego dine na mangana yabasae okora youth mentorship program
maybe so go kwandira igoro a program go se a foundation inga kigoro ko se rinde sokonyara kumurigera lito
organization ye kuro kwa Ami Padra Foundation Ami Padra Foundation nigere under the umbrella ya Dominion Life Ministry International so Ami Padra Foundation ya chire asingincho yogwereria uko watisia umusae eliyo anyare kwegendereria kuchubosio bono na toregana na ikagotiga gukwana nigotolene a president ya Ami Padra Foundation ochire kororenge ngitogente okora Kenya kuruga otinya konyoro buruso bwo kugende okora mirime yo amonere nande nimba togosemire goise nenga na jago okora mirime menene sana iga soro roito wakusi
president no yogo sinoy no Madam President, welcome to Getembe TV.
Thank you.
Have you heard about Getembe TV before?
No, that's the first time.
No, we pronounce it in English, Getembe TV. Now, to start with, maybe you can, in a few words, you can explain the expectations that you had when you came and the responses that you have received so far from the ground, from whoever that you have met.
Oh, thank you for the question. It's been a pleasure to come in person and meet Pastor Sagana and the family and his supporting team and the kids in the orphanage, because you know, to be an orphan at an older age is hard, but it's not really hard because you can take care of yourself. But to have a man and a wife to open their doors to these kids is just overwhelming, and we are very, very happy of what we've seen, the work he's doing, and we are grateful that we are part of the work.
So far, what do you think is your expectations? If you rate whatever that the reception that your organization has received vis-a-vis the expectation that you had and the reality on the ground?
Yes, it actually has exceeded my expectation. I'm very impressed of the welcoming, hospitality of the family, and just how they treat the kids alone has made me very, very, very happy.
Wanda Beach, they also need to hear your voice and your expectations, your observations in all this.
Yes, sir. Thank you again for your time. I would say this is my second time actually coming to Kisii. I was here 2 years ago in 2023, and spend some time with Pastor Sakana and the family. This year I'm coming under the umbrella of the Amy Butler Foundation, which I am the CEO of. And our expectations was to make sure that the funding that our president was sending towards the kids were actually going towards the right places, as Pastor Sakana had mentioned it was. And like she said, we are very elated to find out that not only did he allocate the funding towards the right places, but he also made sure that he over-exceeded to go above and beyond.
Madam President, before we go back to Sagana so that he can explain to me what you said. Maybe have you received any support or have you anticipated any support from other organizations, especially local organizations in the region?
Well, because it's our first time here, and we were relying on Pastor Sakana to connect us to the right organizations, but we started with the Father's Haven because the Father's Haven is the initial. There's always a seed, so that is the seed we started. We noticed the orphans need us more, so we are anticipating moving forward to bring more organization on that we will be able to support.
Maybe a last one from you. Is this the first, let us call it assignment that you have in the country? Okay, thank you so much. So kana wana wiko tara sengi baga kwa nire rinde tanya yako batoko yuya sa mangana mengi ga.
Ndate koere oda tengere seke so.
Igor seke kusi.
Abageni abona batebire Madam President nateba muno naro munyakinyu yega nigatebire nga munaja nigago kikusana nemiroberio anyora togente okora ase ground na inde abana baria tokulinda bale inase program yetu okumira na barabo oligereye amahitaji ya bana abo nande olire iranga na chagendero kwa egasingiya koranga bana abo bakonyiru erinde banyare na barabo
esenza mo yogosira no kubwatirana onde na arenza chino nyorokiringa na bwatekerenga lyukani kubasira ase organization yesogotira abasaya abage gusabana especially bali babwatukani akuru esichamate awa
lakini kero nkwamba kuligereria na matuko na beire ase emeroberi yiga okora emeroberi mangana ya igoro ya bana tindaro ngano ne serikali yeito koso yire okoboko enkwamba koranga serikali nige kwamba kubwatia na ayo gokora unyakorole unatakire gokoro lakini kobeka okoboko nga eche ekoe the financial support na bere egasintu sana but they are very keen to make sure nga onsi people revenues yokoru ya koli nemero beri yao to their expectations so abuno nkora serikali eto ego tosira singicho gotokonyere twakora no kubanya kole especially Kantogudina Mangana Yavana. Yes.
Madam President, specifically, what are some of the challenges that you have encountered or you have observed? If you can be specific, maybe 2 or 3 that you think need urgent action.
In Kenya?
In Kenya, especially.
In Kirakizi?
Yeah.
So far, one of the challenges, well, getting here is a challenge. It's not such a direct straight, you have to travel here, there, and there. So I see it as a challenge. However, it's a challenge that can easily overcome with time. You just have to figure out a best way to get here. The other challenge that I see is you have a lot of youth that needs direction.
Okay.
That if they get the right people to direct them, to mentor them, they will be excellent, right? And they can design their life instead of, we call it life by design, writing down the vision, writing goals, learning how to do those things and working on them and accomplishing them, and then it leads to success. So that is a challenge that I see, the availability of the youth and the lack of a sense of direction or guidance as to what is next.
Kadimuni, from your hand, right, do you think there are specific challenges that can be addressed by you, specifically your organization in the region? Some of them maybe?
Yes, for sure. Thank you. I believe that's why one of the reasons why we are here in Kenya right now is for our youth and mentorship program, which is being organized by the Amy Butler Foundation tomorrow, Saturday, June 14th, at in Kisii. What we are doing is addressing key challenges, like she mentioned. There are a lot of students who have the potential to be greats and to become young leaders of the world, but they lack the guidance. And what we are doing, through President Aisha, is putting together, a live vision casting model in which these kids and youth will be able to replicate it and implement it into their lives, and then be able to transform their lives to become the next young leaders, not only of Kenya, but for the rest of the world. What President Aisha, is really adamant on is she wants to make sure that, kids are not limited just to their surrounding cities. We don't want them to become successful just in Kisii. We want to see how best do we make them successful in the United States, in the UK, in Germany, or wherever it is that they may want, or God has ordained for them, to take their dreams or their visions. So through the Amy Butler Foundation's mentorship program, these kids are able to come under the wings of not only President Aisha, but then also the various mentors that we have, learn from them, be guided by them, and have their life transformed to take them to the level that God has ordained for them.
Okay, thank you. Sakana bana kero togo chukokorera ase ensema ya litukalia mambi emirobeli ngwata banga emirobeli nero igoro ya litukalia mambi. Specifically nga yego chikobera na ndigira kigo chikonyarga wa kore ko tnara kwa gotoire go tuchorere biche buja buja nga kigo chikokore kamambi na nga yego chikokore. Ani gyantu ba expect.
Biamono oyo minto na ego chokoteba nga emirobeli turabe tokora mambi ya youth mentorship program. Niko turanya kolere alia umachoge chache Sengera South Ward angena se school ya Itari Primary School, not Itari Primary School, but angena Itari Primary School no tunakora mujegoyo ando mujegoyo iga niko tuwa nyurigereiri as ikabuna njemne organize ye mirobiri yonsi ya Anne Butler Foundation in Kenya tuwaro chibiya no, yet the surrounding schools to be involved, so that these are the youths wale batakere kokonyu asing incho moro chaba kinyaba ituna bachire sincho konya emirobiri yu bachi bakwaneru na bakonya ngabana ebrenge babwate nebingao maybe kwana barakwaneru mambi etokenga ebrenge byabongo chinchibire eriyo tonyo twakonyire egeza kureke egeke so umukutano ino mukutano rabo mamesana na ndo tuigene tenga ntonyore youth simbatendi para etano lelfwe kwanda mutu and nogo semero weitonga umukutano yekero rakorekane okonye abana baito bagosoma kisukuru bamanyenga egwete kisemi onsipi anyarekane ekiagera egentuna tuakole this program ama ene kapsanga abantu abange bamenyita so menyugo ituno nyanyo so ruete na boko nyanga abantu barono ni school bankere kogenda abande baende school abande baseri kunone chipesa cyo kwegenda yasingi cyo masomo so abana bayiga wese kukwani and bamanyenga ki bako interact no na balimu na bayiboli okonyo there is a disconnect between teachers, students and parents. So this program will bring it will harmonize the whole system so that we can have these youths speaking in one voice and to have a vision. We want to through our president here and my brother Kadmir, we are one, and there's a big team. They're a big team. They came with a big team. They are big as a team of 6 people. We strongly believe that they are coming. It's going to change the lives of these youths.
So kero montori invited was specifically bando bale invited was ngaru totabe was macho ke was kuru was kuru not kero montori invited yo ko nyare ko ba ngana ikirano.
I think also our youths here once I wanted to go very specific in the abantu mono nambire gwikera babiri invited mono na korengeri na tuarenge tukanga the surrounding schools chose chichirangi na ga chose p more of them than invited na invitation ya very extended to other friends bali tumanyete tokuba tebi ho tokuba segeta ngana ni moje murigirerie ingane riga mono wonya mwakonye kire go the larger bucha the doors are open and then kwalgani on the way zuranya konyo this message acho sumukutano uyu umukutano yegrachi umukutano uyu ngo matunda manene
be mono Madam President Aisha Queen Tafera, your last few words. Last few words for
you got it. Fast learner. So what I'll say is that Amy Butler Foundation, we are passionate about the youth. Youth, they are our future. Whether we see it or not, we're growing older, they're coming in. And we need to prepare them for the life or what is ahead in life. So our mentorship program is segmented in a way that it teaches them the 12 key areas of life, right? And help them to be prepared for life. And they can in turn also forward it forward by giving back to the community. So you have the youth their potentials will come out. They can see what they can be, who they can be without no limits. And that is what we are about. We want to put is a calling, and we are fulfilling the calling. And we are going to do our best to make sure that the youth in Kenya will be the best, one of the best in the world.
Thank you, Karimel van der Bush. I'm your turn in a minute also.
Yes, yeah. So I would like to piggyback off what our president has said. We urge you to attend tomorrow's conference. Like Pastor Ghana said, the doors are wide open, and we are looking to have, all youth attend. We're going to have food, mentorship sessions, workshops, keynote sessions as well for everyone to attend. And if you're not able to attend, please visit our website. It's www.amybutlerfoundation.org. You'll be able to apply as a mentee to be able to learn from giants like President Aisha Kwenu and other mentors that we have to offer as well.
Thank you so much.
Again,
in less than a minute.
Again, to Kadimedia, the Vilenga, and Diana, and Villa Chevy, Sanero, I can again take and then Diana Yenda, and Diana, gonna keep went to Coach Kuyargania, Coach Comenia Bosio. So, Momusi, Wensis, Muaveta, especially the youths. Tuawaliganiti sana litukolia mambia turachako mukutano ito jinsi sato ande program inege ende paka chinsa ikomi sa 10 tenyo koleroro endo tiga youths bagende chinka chiao mapema ande mpato amechande ende osinjira
biamono kabisa. Thank you so much for you two for showing up. We are used to Ekeguse speaking. I am sure you have not captured anything that you have spoken about. Maybe it's a name Getembe TV. Just that. Because of time, maybe we'll invite you people to our shows. We have shows that have enough time. So this is prime time. We are limited with the time. Thank you so much for showing up. Monjo morigerali goikarabu tania kunya konsamerange gesongo ngonya kubuna bunaga goikarabu nongo kolera ukebuna ngoira natore kegeke keremotwe tunyaka bakatogo swase ngwana ya Getembe na wakili Joshua Makolnyarenche kurwa sense ya kana tunyaka batokoligerelia okomenya kwaya asense ya isiko amangana yogosira chiamat awogoze philanthropy na boy gotorigerelia amangana age siasa gototsuka guchiare njiri ngoro kuharo ni ototo nyangiri niona linge na nchaga saga na samfan riboni michuga na bande balde na barabu Aisha Kwenu Tafera na boy go Kadimel van der Bush. Kanza ko liga tapati.
I love it.
Duka yobo moya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolire iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikariguri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi naboigo eneke